to say good morning. I'm like, wait, what am I doing? It's 9:30. Hey guys, pretty unenthusiastic right now. I'm really tired. But tonight we're gonna be talking about dun dun dun, and how I do not like it and why. So, ask your question.
What do you remember about math when we were still doing math?
It was terrible. Every single time would end up in a rage of tears and slamming doors and fine then! Like, where's my calculator? Quick while she's away! I remember my dad and I were doing a math problem. You know it's bad when you don't know what 10 plus 200 is. We sat there for an hour and I still could not figure it out. It was so bad. And so I don't do a lot of math now. Right now I don't see a purpose to. If I did, I would do it.
You're gonna stop hunting squirrels.
It's a cat. I actually said in the first video that a squirrel could be a cat.
Focus.
What was I talking about again?
Yeah, math.
Oh. I do math in everyday life. I just don't even really pay attention to it. But I don't like just sit down and do math because it's bugging me. I see no purpose in doing it right now. What?
Why don't you see a purpose in doing it right now?
Because I'm not doing anything that requires a lot of math, and I feel right now that I have, I was about to say well-rounded, and I'm like, wait a minute, I only know like 3 different kinds. I feel like right now I can deal without it. If I see a need to, then I will do math, but at the moment, like in everyday life, I don't need it, and so why waste my time?
What if you want to go to college?
Then I'll do the math.
But then you'll spend a lot of time doing math, trying to catch up.
So, pay the piper.
Okay. How about drawing?
I like drawing.
Yeah. Any math in that?
Nah, actually, yeah, there's a lot, but I don't see it that way. It's just like, oh, it's about that big. I'm like Bob Ross taking a big roller and perfect Mona Lisa. Yeah, no, I'm not that good. But I don't really pay attention to it. I guess just growing up, I gotten used to like the math problems were like the devil's words, and then but
So were word problems worse than number problems?
yeah, did you know that they're adding letters in math now? I mean
Now?
I mean
They had letters in math when I was in school.
I mean I have a hard enough time with spelling, and then I have hard enough time with math, so you gotta like ship it and make it even like more impossible.
So word problems are bad. But how will you cope if you are confronted with a math problem and you don't know how to do it?
Meme.
What if I'm not here?
Did.
What if Dad's not here?
Neared.
What if Jared's not here?
Jilly.
Your 6-year-old sister?
Google. Calculator.
The point is that you're resourceful and you can find the answer. But what if you don't even know how to do the problem?
Meme. Yeah, it's just Mom. Hey, Dad. Yes? I'm having trouble with math. Where's Mom?
Your dad's actually probably better at math than I am. But, okay, so... Just focus. Focus.
He's making noise.
Focus. What about if you... How will you deal with it if you need to do it to get into college?
I'll just do it.
How will you teach yourself? But we've tried that before. We've tried it, you and me. You and me. Boo. You and I together.
Remember not see.
Yes.
Jared.
Oh, Jared's busy. Erica, focus. Jared's busy. So we've tried working together before. Erica, focus.
He's gonna knock over the water again.
It's okay. So, what makes you think it would be any better?
Well, right now, I'll just be honest with you. I have no motivation to do it right now. If I want something that bad, it's just like, oh man, just gotta do it. Just do it. Do it for the vine.
But will you be able to understand it any better than you did when you were doing math?
I don't know. No, and to answer your question, if your dad is not, or Jared is not around, Noah.
Noah, super. There's a shout out to her fellow Squirrel Hunter friend. So, who does get math, who does like math. Huh?
So I don't know how he does it.
Okay, well, what about cooking? Fractions. Cups and ounces and teaspoons and tablespoons and...
I don't cook that often. I don't like getting burned with stuff, and that happens all the time. Like, I was making chicken nuggets tonight, and oil kept splashing on me. I kept like screaming into the phone. And Curtis was always like, "What happened?" I'm like, melting.
Total squirrel.
I'm sorry.
So, no math. What would happen if I tried to make you do math? What would happen if I tried to make you do
Keyword
math?
tried. You've tried to do it before. And how well did that work out for you?
How did you feel when you were trying to do math? You're better about it now. You seem to be more, I don't know whether it's resigned or accepting of your bent, but you used to be very upset.
I still am very frustrated when I cannot do something that I think I can accomplish. And so, like, after, like, I'll try to do it, I can't do it, throw it down on the table, run away, and then 2 minutes later come back and try to do it again. So I'm kind of stubborn with that. But I felt absolutely horrible and, like, stupid and worthless. I'm like, I can't do, like, math, what is this? And then people always told me, like, if you can't do math, then you're not going to succeed at life. I was like, wait, are all the homeless people, they can't do math then? And so I was like, am I going to end up like them? I was really, like, worried. I'm like, wait, I could just live with my mom. And then I'm like, wait a minute, no, she's not going to let me stay there. She's going to tell me to do something. And so, yeah, I was like, eh.
Then what? What changed?
And I was just like,
Erica, focus.
oh, I'm going to be stuck with me for quite a while, I hope.
Erica, focus. Yeah.
And so I might as well just...
Yeah, that is what she's looking at, by the way. Anyway.
That. She has a name.
Okay, yeah. Squirrel? Okay.
Okay.
So what changed?
I don't know. It's kind of I didn't like being sad all the time and angry, so it was like,
Cool. All right.
see ya.
Anything else?